The air conditioning blower motor in my 2005 Toyota Tacoma is vibrating, so I'm going to replace it. You hear that vibration? The climate control should sound like this. The blower motor on my Toyota Tacoma is located in the passenger side footwell underneath the glove box. Push up on the connector's bottom tab, then pull the connector out. This cable holder opens from the middle. I used a screwdriver to pry this cable holder out. Remove 3 bolts using a 7/32 socket wrench. I use my little screwdriver to pry the motor away from the housing. There's the problem right there. A squirrel nut. Otherwise, totally fine. A squirrel got in here and tore this up right here. I used some heat barrier tape to seal up the hole. I turned off recirculate and looked up into the blower housing. Sticking my phone up there, I could see lots of debris. I felt around using my hand to extract large debris. Then I attached a small hose to a shop vac and sucked out the remaining junk. I decided to reuse the old blower motor to see if it worked, but the process is the same to install a new one. I reinstalled the 3 screws. Reattached the side cable connector, reinserted the cable into the middle connector, and reconnected the power connector. The end result is the vibration is gone from my Toyota Tacoma, and I saved a few bucks on a new blower motor. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.